In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable location sharing in Google Chrome on Windows 7, step by step. This is a really useful setting if you want websites like maps, weather sites, or delivery services to ask for your location, or if you prefer to keep your location private and block those requests completely. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it on, how to turn it off, and how to manage specific websites one by one. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple computer tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 7 computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the list that appears, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can control different browser preferences. Now on the settings page, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Click on it and then select Site Settings. This section is very important because it controls what websites are allowed to access, including things like camera, microphone, notifications, and location. After that, scroll down until you find Location. Click Location to open the location permission controls. Here, Chrome gives you the main options for how websites can use your location. If you want to enable location sharing, select Sites can ask for your location. This means websites will be able to request permission when they need your location, and you can choose whether to allow it or not. This is helpful for services like Google Maps, food delivery apps, local shopping sites, and weather websites that work better with your location turned on. If you want to disable location sharing instead, select Don't allow sites to see your location. This will block websites from requesting or accessing your location information. It's the best option if you want more privacy or simply don't want websites to know where you are. After choosing your preferred option, Chrome will save the setting automatically. There is nothing else you need to click. Now, below the main location setting, you may also see allowed sites and blocked sites. This is where you can manage permissions for specific websites individually. For example, if you blocked location access for one website but later change your mind, you can remove it from the blocked list. Or if you only want certain trusted websites to access your location, you can review the allowed list and make changes anytime. This gives you much more control over your privacy and lets you customize location access site by site. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, go to Settings, open Privacy and Security, go to Site Settings, open Location, and then choose whether sites can ask for your location or whether you want to block location access completely. And don't forget, you can always fine-tune individual website permissions from the allowed and blocked lists. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.